So let's get the facts about these guys.
This is Warship Hobart, channel 16, over.
16.
Yeah, we got you, mate.
They are fishermen. They are on a fishing boat. They are wearing t-shirts and thongs, and some of them don't even have shoes on at all. They've been found cruising at high speed outside the maritime exclusion zone. Their port of origin seems to be
Lakes entrance. Oh!
Their coordinates are 3813 south, 14829 east. They are currently 56.9 kilometers away from Lake's entrance, and they are 46 kilometers away from their closest shoreline. They are outside the contiguous zone of 24 nautical miles, which translates to 44.44 kilometers in distance. That puts them here on this diagram. And even here, they admit they're going fishing, not to Antarctica.
Please report your intentions.
Fishing. Who the fuck's that?
We're heading to the shelf to go.
End this ridiculous nonsense.
We've already come through this 1,000 times.